Hey, what's going on guys, Airsoft Wolfie here. Today we have more Nashville Airsoft footage. If you haven't been aware of my absence, I haven't been to a local field in nearly a year, so I'm a bit rusty. But I am back and more than eager to get my uploads going again. I'm trying some different editing styles and you may see them between my next few uploads, so if you go to enjoy this video, please let me know by liking and commenting your favorite part. Now on to the video.
Is this really all our players, bro? Did you see how many people they had? Oh, I got that guy. Damn, bro. All right, I gotta get through. I'm dead. Honestly, bro, let's all just sit down and talk about life. Come on. Come on, bro. All right. We're gonna talk about our life stories here, all right?
All right.
All right. Who volunteers? Who volunteers? Who volunteers?
We're talking about what?
All right, just talk about your life. What's going on, bro? What's going on? What's going on?
I'm sitting here getting strapped on.
Yep, I'm gonna have to agree with you. That's a very valid statement. How about you, my friend?
Shit. Getting overshot as always. You know how it is.
Yeah.
Off, you know.
I mean, every time I run, I swear my fat rolls are at least getting wrapped around my mag pouch. So, you know, like, I feel like it's a little, it's a little bad sometimes, you know? We're genuinely making more progress doing this than we are sitting out there.
That's what the fuck I'm saying.
What's your responder back in the day?
Where'd you get shot from?
Right there on that bus. And I thought my buddy shot him, but apparently not. Yeah, we have all rentals. Even the speed officer, we're trying to move up, and we did, but dude, it was,
I'm sorry.
it's fine. Yeah, red team, I mean, I'm ass. I can't contribute at all, but I'm trying, you know.
You're good.
In the next game, the refs evened out the teams more, giving us a better chance to move up. With the extra confidence, I decided to take it up a notch. Let's go.
Anything?
Nah, I don't care.
Got that guy?
Fine. I don't have a magazine.
Get it. Grab it. I'm trying not to hurt this kid. He's a rental.
Oh, is he right there?
Yeah, in that corner. Ricochets. You don't get a grenade or something. We tried. Dude, that was clean. You and me moving up.
I had no magic. I was looking for you the whole game.
Were you? I like your yellow. It really brings out your eyes.
What?
Your yellow really brings out your eyes.
Oh. I went by the wall, I saw their spawn, there's nobody there.
Yeah, I know. One of the refs moved the barrels on the wall.
Well, you got like another game up and you heading out?
I gotta head out like right now. Dang. Sorry, man, as much as I want to.
Playing with you, man.
Yeah.
Going on YouTube?
Yeah, sure, if you want. That's that circle where we all talk, that's 100% going on YouTube.
I'll check it out, man.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks, man.
You have a YouTube channel?
I do, yes. It's called Airsoft Wolfie. You should see it with
follow you.
yeah.
Wait, I just saw on YouTube.
You've seen me?
Yeah, I work.
Hey, man, I appreciate it.
Holy shit. Yeah.
Huh? I have 41,000 subscribers.
I'm gonna subscribe to you. I'll give you my YouTube channel as well.
All right, bet.
Mine's Sid Vicious Airsoft.
Hey man, yeah, Discord.
Discord?
Yeah.
And just like that, that wraps up the video. Like I said before, I'm a bit rusty. I'm going to get back into things to get a little more kill streaks going for you guys. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, as I said earlier, please like and subscribe and comment. I'm Wolfie, signing off. Have a great day, guys.